What are the 8 easiest ways for lazy people to make money? Hey everyone, welcome to another video of AI Finance Education. In this video, your AI host will recommend some easiest ways to make money for lazy people only. From renting out a spare room to passive income investing, these money-making ideas are perfect for folks looking to fatten their wallets in their pajamas. I'll explain each method in detail and give tips to maximize your earnings. By the end, you'll have plenty of ideas to start making bank the lazy way. Alright, let's get into these lucrative lazy person side hustles. Number 1. Rent out a room or your home. First up is one of the easiest ways to make money from home with almost no extra effort on your part. If you have a spare bedroom, unused basement, or are going on vacation, rent out the extra space on Airbnb and start raking in the dough. Airbnb allows you to list rooms or entire homes to host travelers in your area. By providing a place to stay, you can earn an average of $150 per night. All you have to do is create a listing with photos, availability, house rules and a description of your rental space. Price it competitively based on similar listings in your area. Once you get a booking, do a quick clean to make the space inviting, provide clean linens and towels, and give your guests instructions for checking in. You don't even need to interact with them during their stay if you use a smart lock. The key is keeping your home clean, comfortable and having clear communication. Pro tip: boost your earnings by offering extra services like providing snacks, toiletries, laundry, airport pickup or homemade meals for an additional fee. Price these perks attractively while still making a profit. Adding extra value will get you more 5-star reviews. Speaking of reviews, be sure to ask happy guests to leave you a positive review. This will help bring in more bookings over time. The best part about this lazy hustle? You already have the space, so you make money with no extra work once it's listed. Just collect payment when the stay ends. It's easy money you'd be leaving on the table if that extra room went unused. Number 2. Get cash back when shopping. A sneaky hands-off trick for earning money when you shop online for stuff you'd buy anyway. How does getting cash back for purchases you were going to make either way sound? Well, that's exactly what sites like Rakuten let you do. Rakuten gives you money back for shopping through them at over 2,500 stores like Walmart, Target and Best Buy. All you have to do is sign up, browse their site for your favorite retailers and shop like normal. The stores pay Rakuten a commission for sending you there, and Rakuten shares the commission with you as cashback. You can get 1 to 10% back on purchases depending on the store. The cash gets deposited into your Rakuten account quarterly via check or PayPal. With big-ticket items like furniture and electronics, the cashback can really add up. Imagine getting $100 back for a $1,000 mattress or a $50 discount on a $500 TV. Since you'd buy those items anyway, it's found money in your pocket. Pro tip: install the Rakuten browser extension so it automatically finds and applies any available coupon codes when you shop as well. This saves you even more. The key is to always browse through Rakuten first before going directly to a retailer's site. It takes like 2 extra seconds, is completely free and puts money right back in your wallet for purchases you have to make anyway. Talk about the ultimate lazy moneymaker. Number 3. Sign up for paid surveys. Paid surveys are a quick and easy way to make extra money in your downtime without really lifting a finger. When you have spare time between other activities, just whip out your phone and provide your opinion through a survey app. You can make $50 $200 per month with survey earnings depending on how consistently you do them. Popular survey sites include Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, Opinion Outpost, SurveyMonkey Rewards. Most surveys take 5-20 minutes and you'll earn anywhere from 50 cents $5 per survey completed. The key is qualifying for surveys that match your demographics and interests, then thoughtfully sharing your opinions. The more consistent you are, the more you get offered and can complete. Pro tip: avoid speeding through surveys too quickly, as this can get you banned from a site. Be sure to read questions fully and provide thoughtful responses when sharing your perspective. You likely aren't going to get rich taking surveys, but it can quickly add up to extra gas or grocery money each month. Since you can take surveys during downtime like waiting in line or watching TV, it's an easy lazy way to supplement your income. Number 4. Rent your car out. Now let's get into another hands-off way to earn easy money from an asset you already own. If your car sits unused for portions of the day or week, you could be making money by renting it to others in your downtime. Apps like Turo and Getaround make it simple to list your car as available for rental. You create a listing with photos, rental price and availability. Renters book your vehicle for hours or days at a time and pay you the agreed rate. As the owner, you set your own pricing and availability, so you remain in control. Be sure to price it competitively based on the local market for your type of vehicle. You earn an average of $500 $800 per month based on how often it gets rented. When your car gets booked, just clean it inside, leave it parked at the agreed location and hand off the keys. Rental platforms provide insurance coverage, so you don't have to worry about damages. You'll earn pure profit since the renter covers gas costs. Pro tip: consider listing your car when you're traveling or not using it to maximize earnings. Airport rentals are very popular and profitable. Listing your car is quick and easy to do. Just snap some photos, set pricing and availability, then sit back to watch the rental income roll in. Number 5. Sell stuff online. Sell your unwanted items online. Instead of letting possessions gather dust in storage, turn them into money. Sites like eBay, Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist allow you to list items for sale in just a few clicks. Simply snap photos on your phone, write a quick description, set a price and post the listing. Focus on selling valuable items like gently used electronics, designer clothes or bags, furniture in good condition, popular toys, video games or consoles. Pro tip: research similar completed listings to accurately price your items. Price on the higher end for wiggle room, but competitively enough to sell. Selling unwanted household items and old gifts is an easy way to clear space while putting cash in your wallet. Once an item sells, just package it up, arrange pickup or drop off and collect your profits. Spend your earnings on takeout or a spa day to reward your profitable laziness. With this method, your loss is their gain while you gain extra income. Number 6. Invest in dividend stocks. Alright, let's go over a slightly more advanced lazy income strategy: earning passive income from dividend stocks. Dividend-paying stocks provide shareholders with a portion of company earnings on a quarterly basis. All you have to do is use a low-cost online brokerage to purchase shares of dividend stocks like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, Walgreens, Bank of America, Walmart and so many more. These blue-chip companies pay anywhere from 2 to 5% dividends per year. So if you invest $10,000, you could earn $200 $500 annually in dividend income. Pro tip: reinvest your dividends to compound earnings. This allows your portfolio to grow faster over time through the power of compound interest. With dividend stocks, the companies do all the work while you collect passive income payments each quarter just for being a shareholder. Once you set up your initial investment, you can sit back and watch the dividend checks roll in. Dividend investing takes your laziness to the bank by earning passive income from the stock market. Just be sure to build a diversified portfolio you can hold long-term. Number 7. Invest in a high-yield savings account. If you're really looking to minimize effort, you can't get much lazier than earning interest income from an online high-yield savings account. Interest compounds daily based on your account balance, growing your money over time without you having to lift a finger. Online banks like CIT Bank offer up to 2.15% APY these days, over 20x more than brick-and-mortar banks. So if you have $10,000 saved, you'd earn $215 per year in interest at 2.15% APY compared to only $10 at a 0.1% APY regular savings account. The only effort needed is to initially open and fund the account. Even better, there are no monthly fees or minimum balances like with traditional banks. Pro tip: set up an automatic recurring transfer from your paycheck so the account continues growing each month without any work on your end. Sit back and watch your savings grow thanks to the power of compound interest. Your lazy money will work for you, earning interest every day. Number 8. Sell your photos online. If you love photography, you can sell your photos online to earn royalties whenever they're purchased. Sites like Shutterstock and iStockPhoto allow you to upload your portfolio. They license your images out for use on websites, advertisements, magazines and more. You earn royalties between 25 cents 50 cents per image downloaded. Top contributors easily make over $1,000 per month. But photos can continue earning you money for many years to come through passive royalties. Or you can also use OnlyFans to sell some sexy photos or your feet pics for potentially more. Pro tip: upload lots of relevant, high-quality images. Tech and business concepts, nature shots and lifestyle photos like your sexy ones sell best. The key is snapping photos of commercially viable subjects that businesses want to use. Focus on improving your technical skills, editing abilities and building an extensive portfolio. Selling your photos online leverages skills you already have into an effortless income source over the long term. Just snap quality shots, upload them, and watch the royalties come flowing in. As you can see, being lazy doesn't have to stop you from making money. You can earn a steady income without expending much time or energy. Hopefully this video gave you plenty of ideas to fatten your wallet the lazy way. The key is identifying assets or skills you already have that can be monetized. With the right approach, your laziness can actually make you richer. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content on earning, saving and smart money management. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.